again everybody. In this video I was going to look at box 3 of my collection, but I had a message from my mate Josco asking about the Victorinox Sentinel. Now I've had that knife for quite a while and I've not done a review yet, so that's what we're going to do now. So this is how the knife comes, as you'd imagine, in the silver grey Victorinox box. Sentinel clip, one hand, black. So you get the knife and you get a little leaflet telling you how to clean it and oil it and how to use the can opener, which this knife doesn't have. What we have is a large single blade with a spidey hole for one-handed opening. It's a liner lock. It's not a knife that you'd particularly be thinking of flipping out quickly, but it does open nice and smooth. The liner lock is arranged to suit left-handers, because if you're right-handed, instead of pushing it, you need to pull it in that way. Black plastic scales, it's quite slim. You've got a key ring on the end and you get the usual tweezers. And toothpick. Pocket clip on the back, non-removable. It's quite strong. I must confess, when I bought this, I was looking at a serrated version with no pocket clip, and then I saw this plain edge version and assumed that this didn't have a pocket clip, and I didn't read it properly when I was ordering it. I actually wanted no clip, but there you go. Nice modified drop point shape on the blade. Being a Victorinox, you can be sure that it's going to come sharp out the box, and that is really quite sharp. That's nice. Quite a big knife for a Swiss Army knife. We put it next to the Spartan copy. You can see that it does dwarf that. So what are the specs? On the handle length, it's 111mm, so it is the largest form factor the Victorinox are doing at the moment, I believe. Possibly the Ranger grips that used to be Wenger. They may be a bit bigger, I can't remember. But the blade, handle to tip, is just under 3.5 inches. It's about 88mm. And the cutting edge in a straight line is 80mm, just over 3 1/8. It weighs, I'm not expecting it to weigh much actually, because although it's quite a big knife in your hand, it's quite slim and there's only the one blade. So 2.77 ounces, 2 3/4 in effect. And that in foreign, that's 78.7 grams. So it's not heavy. The fit and finish is good. The logo is just painted in. The edges are smooth. The scales do feel a bit plasticky. They don't feel solid and dense like the dark red Victorinox scales. But all in all, it's a very nice knife. Nice simple shape, where you've got the liner lock there, and then quite a big flat ricasso. If you want to get quite up close to the blade, it is quite comfortable. And even if you hold it back away from the blade, you can easily get a full 4-finger grip. Very nice blade shape, I think. So, the Victorinox Sentinel, one-handed opening, pocket clip, plain edge. I do like that sound. Listen to that again. Lovely. Could do that all day actually. So I think that's a nice knife. Thanks for watching.